Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Man's Needed. Today we're going to show you how we transformed this vanity mirror with this simple can of spray paint. Now this is how it started, guys. It's just a boring old builder grade mirror. First of all, I taped everything off and I'm going to be spraying these little holders just a matte black. So I'm going to clean them real quick with some rubbing alcohol just to make sure they're nice and clean, and then I'll get to spraying. Now I always use rubbing alcohol before I spray any hard surface. It's a really simple, quick, easy step, and I always try to keep some on hand. It's a cheap material, so it definitely helps, and it removes all the grime, dirt, and any oils from the surface, which will help the spray paint adhere. Next, I just took a piece of cardboard there to try to stop any of the overspray, and I just started spraying the matte black spray paint onto those chrome mirror holders. Now I knew I was repainting the walls, so I wasn't too careful about getting paint on the walls. If you are doing this and you're not planning on repainting your walls, you probably want to tape off and plastic off a little more of your room than I did there, because I did get a little bit of overspray on the walls. So just a little tip there, but I did about 2 or 3 coats, letting it dry between each coat, and it turned out great. Here again is the before and the after, and you can see here we did a ton of other projects in this bathroom, including painting the walls that dark moody green color. I have lots of other tutorials on this amazing bathroom renovation, but this is just one simple project that we did in here that made a huge difference. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video and comment below. Have a great day.